Hi, I'm Alan, Woodpecker Off-Road, and we're going to show you today some of the assembly process for our RotoPaks and LC fuel container mounts. This right here is the LC fuel container mount, like you may have seen in previous videos. And here is the base mount with the screws that go through. Here's the feet. The base mount is printed in PETG. The feet are printed in ASA. And the latch is also ASA. So that's the latch mechanism. The feet go on here, 6 sets of feet screw down to these. Then the latch mechanism slides up in here, holds itself in with these detents with a couple springs. That goes in there, and that's what holds your mount to your RotoPaks mount. Here is the 1 gallon RotoPaks mount. This is the bare mount after it comes off the printer. This is the latch that goes onto it, gets screwed in there with stainless steel screws. Then there's 4 stainless steel screws with captured nuts that hold the plate on there to mount the mount. They also get 6 feet on each one out of ASA and bolted on there, the same pattern as that one. And here's a completed mount with the captured nuts in there. And then we have the wide mount that holds the 1.75, 2 gallon or 3 gallon RotoPaks mount. And similar construction, it's a little bit wider than the 1 gallon to give you a better footing for a larger fuel container. If you want to see any of these products, you can visit us on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, or go see us at wickedpeckeroffroad.com.